a terrible wind nightmare. It was a terrible windy day. The greenhouse has been blown up, but unfortunately, his greenhouse known as Noggins Garden Centre just eventually got blown up because of the wind. Fortunately, loved to blow itself up. But they had to roll a new glass for the lovely good old window. And look, the sun is rising down. As they rise out, it has been rain. It has been windy for days, so they can't miss out. It has been raining for days and days. They had nothing though to a visit there. There's a very lot of ice. Hello, this is Thomas the Tank Engine here. It's gonna be very freezing outside. The electric power's cut last week and always had a lovely good old minute. So the electric power's cut. Ouch. It was my terrible wind nightmare. And there's also oh my god. Oh my god. Oh dear. No! This is so late. Oh dear. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah! Yes! I just floated! And look at this. No! Thomas got wet himself up. Unfortunately, when they all blew up, we talked to Noggin and rough men come with me. Oh dear. It's a terrible nightmare when we got back from last week. Yeah, the parkers last week. We should have got to call Hey Doggy to sort it out. Oh, I know that. Was fake actually. Is it fake? No! Oh my god. This is terribly lazy. Yeah. Right, let's go in to the solar shed. Let's go to the police department. Got poo ourselves. Yeah. I know we got pooed ourselves. Let's just go in. Noggin? Noggin? Hello? Noggin? Noggin? Oh, that's this old design of Captain Bligh. Noggin? Where is he? Noggin? You there? What? I can't see you! I know, because I'm lost. Can you find me, please? Noggin. Please. Please. Well, we'll find him next time on a new series. It looks different to me. Oh well. Down the hatch. Oh my god. Off the floor. Yeah, well, it's like before that. We've got James. Yes. Oh my god. Rain disappeared. I was all blinding all over there. So that then. Yo! Oh god, Henry. Can't help it! Alright, James. Alright. This news reader's not working. Okay. Right, Percy's just this way, yeah. Look at him now. Wait, why is there a bear on the floor? I don't know why. There's a bear on the floor because of the wind, no reason. Do it the last time before the wind blows the whole electricity out. Don't do it, or the electricity will be blown up for the next 7 hours. The next 7 hours. No, you don't. Oh, now that's it. I will put no. Oh. No! Oh my god, we got pooed ourselves. How gross, Henry. How gross. Oh my god. Oh. Oh dear, they're both acting like this. How gross. How gross. Oh, gross! Gross. Yes, completely disgusting. Disgusting. Oh dear. That is disgusting. No more. Oh no! Why is it disgusting? It's disgusting. Right. What are you doing? Right, Owen, you think you're going out there? What do you want, young man? Owen, I don't know what the hell know. Right, that's it, you. Go take a bit. No! 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 There's a fingerprint. Goes on the wall. Just until get back to normal. Owen left out. He probably brings him to the water, and later, oh dear, how gross is this? Yeah, no! And later, he covered himself in mud. How disgusting. Right, got mud on myself. Right, let's throw it over there! That lazy but deserve it. Deserve it. Right. Here's your news narrator. Thank you. Oh my god. Oh no, I'm gonna trip. 3, 2, 1. No. Oh no. No! Look, what have you done to my back? What's wrong with my back? My back! My back! It's all up greasy and mud everywhere, whole place. This is the worst day of my life. Because the stupid wind. Right, this is how. Hello! Right, let's try all of it. Turn 2. Hello! Hey, Dougie. I'm super powering it, Dougie. And my friends, like this. So I was now gonna be honest. Get away! Go away, hey, Dougie! I hate your friends! Right, both of you. You're right. Right, both of you. It's okay. I'll go back to you. Okay, we'll get Thomas. Alright. So, where's Thomas? Must be over there somewhere. Alright. Holy. Whoa! Cut it out! Oh my god. Thomas? Oh my god. This is terribly gross. This mud is absolutely disgusting. How disgusting, Thomas. This mud makes everybody sick. Yeah, it makes everybody sick. Right. Now go now. Oh. Poor Owen never worked. He had no breath. Started way away from rest. But unfortunately, his explosion was sorted. The Christmas lights had been turned on like several decades. Till then, it's the end. Okay, it's the end! Ah! The island of Sodor has been blown up. However, the lovely girl wins. The the end of their sight. Owen replied to the island of Sodor on the radio, saying that the island of Sodor is leaving. No further notice, because this wind never happens ever again. They won't believe what Thomas said to the engines. He had no breath, struggled way away to rest. Fortunately, he gives himself a long drink and gets himself cleaned on his bathtub. Gets himself cleaned. Once later it's cleaned, Thomas cleans himself up about 5 minutes. The wind's still pouring on his mud all of ourselves. But never ever gonna happen ever again. Till then, it's the end of the show. Join us again for our next adventure on Thomas and Friends. See you again soon. With me and sorry about mud. With Henry and my friends, we will see you again very soon. And join me. Goodbye. Here's our roll call. Roll call time.